Good evening, everyone. Welcome to a week. Oh, that's not coming through. Let me just double check. No, it is coming through. It's just not even me. Yeah, there we go. That makes more sense. Good evening. Welcome to a week and 5 of the Thursday night quizzes. So how does this work? How does this crazy thing work that people have been talking about? Well, it's very simple. Pen, paper, cheating is general knowledge time.
Hello there.
General. Absolutely beautiful as always. So number 7, Grand Marnier is flavoured with which fruit? Pictures.
Are you ready to have a little sing-song? Okay, here we go. Everybody, arms in the air. With a 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4.
Pictures. Pictures. So another 30 seconds. That's round 1, question 1. Chadwick Boseman plays which Marvel superhero? He plays Colonel Tom. I see no ships, and we should have gone to Specsavers. It was true. True. Oh, okay. So, number 4. An all-star cast including Chris Pratt. Okay, I'll start again. An all-star cast including Chris Pratt, Will Arnett, Kobe Smulders, Morgan Freeman, and Liam Neeson voice the characters in which 2014 animated film?
Including Chris Pratt. Okay, I'll start again. Voice the characters.
I've lost my piece of paper. Sorry for the noise. I've lost my piece of paper and Alex won't be happy. Sorry for the noise. Pause the video now.